Good morning to all of you once again. I am here to teach you computer as you know. In the previous video, I told you about advanced features of word processor, and we had a lot of discussion on the online classes about header and footer, then after page orientation. In this video, as you can see that on the blackboard, that we are going to discuss about inserting column and column breaks. I told you that I will make a video and I will send you also. So here we are. So inserting a page break, inserting line breaks, setting a page properties and page margins. Now the first thing we are going to discuss in this topic is about inserting column and column breaks. Last video also I told you that with the help of column and column breaks we will be able to insert column and column breaks in the pages. And I had given you also an example of newspaper with the help of you can see newspaper is a good example of column break. Means you can see that the news basically it comes in portion wise, means separate and with a little portions. So it is basically done with the help of column break, and you can see in your book it is given about so here are some you can see steps, and with the help of these steps you will be able to insert a column break in your text or in a document. First thing is given that we will click on column, and to go to the column we will have to go on page setup and page layout tab. There will be a drop down menu. First you select the text I told you, then after go on this page layout, page setup and column, then we can directly choose the desired number of column. हम जो desired column है वो चुन सकते हैं, whether we want to into desired sections or 3 desired sections. It basically depends on us. ये हमारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि हम कितने कॉलम्स चाहते हैं, 1 कॉलम, 2 कॉलम, 3 कॉलम, 4 कॉलम. That can be choose from it is given in your book. You can see how many sections you want to divide the selected text or paragraph. And then after 4 enter the desired option. Whenever you select the columns, number of columns, then after you can simply press on OK button. It will basically done by the help of column break. As you can see in your book, it is given that it is basically divided into 2 sections. Next thing is given that the select text desired distribute equally in the columns. यानी कि वो बराबर क्या हो जाएगा, distributed हो जाएगा 2 columns. Then here is given some steps also to here is given that we can insert column break at the end of the column. हम column के end में भी break कर सकते हैं. Then after the remaining text जो है वो नए column में चला जाएगा. And to do that, here has given some steps. It is given that we will go on page break option, and it is basically in page setup and then page layout tab, same place. Second is choose option from drop down menu, and notice that the column is started from the point where where the column break is inserted. From there you will be able to start the column. You can say new option, new column. Now after this, because we had a long discussion about column and column breaks, now we are going to discuss about inserting a page break. Same thing we can do with the pages. See, what is the meaning of page break? First was basically column break, second is page break. What is the meaning of page break? First we will understand. I told you in the video that first thing is whenever we type something on a page, and directly we want to jump from one page to another page, with the help of page break we will be able to jump from one page to another page. यानी कि एक पेज पे हम लिख रहे हैं और हम एक पेज से चाहते हैं कि दूसरे पेज पे जाएं. So we can done with the help of page break. हमें पेज को बीच से डिवाइड करना होता है. We can break it. break का मतलब ही होता है तोड़ना, यानी कि हम उसको different sections में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. मीन्स एक पेज में अलग, सेकंड पेज. So it can be done with the help of, here is mentioned that page break is a feature that causes the content on a page टू एंड एंड रीमेड द टेक्स्ट, यानी कि पहला पेज जब खत्म हो तो कंटेंट जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली सेकंड पेज से क्या हो जाए, स्टार्ट हो जाए, एंड दैट कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेज ब्रेक. नाउ व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स टू इंसर्ट पेज ब्रेक? It is given that we will simply press on layout tab, page page layout tab, page setup group, and then break option. Second is choose the page option from the drop down menu, and from there a new page will begin, and from there you will be able to start, or you can say new, you can say text, you can write. Next is about inserting line break. Same way in the line break. Line break means sense, meaning to sense that if you want to write, means if you want that, whenever one page, one line is going to be finished, you want that automatically your cursor goes to next, you can say down. So with the help of line break you can say, here is with the line break causes a line to end, a new line begins. वही चीज़ की एक लाइन खत्म हुआ दूसरा लाइन स्टार्ट हो जाए. So we can insert a line break by shifting shift plus enter की, यानी कि एक लाइन खत्म हुआ और दूसरा लाइन स्टार्ट करने के लिए हम shift plus enter की भी प्रेस कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज गिवन दैट वी कैन डायरेक्टली प्रेस एंटर की, हम सिर्फ एंटर की भी प्रेस कर सकते हैं और उससे क्या होगा, आपका नेक्स्ट लाइन जो है वो स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. Here is given one more thing, that there is no gap between two lines and it indicates the beginning of new paragraph. दो लाइंस के बीच में कोई आपको स्पेस नहीं दिखेगा और नया पैराग्राफ जो है वो आपका शुरू हो जाएगा. After this topic we are going to discuss about setting page properties. I told you and I think I had shown you in the video also about properties. Setting a page properties means, why it is important. I told you that before, whenever we are going to take a print out something, we need to have a proper setting of the page. हम कुछ भी अगर setting मतलब print out लेने जाते हैं पेज का, कुछ भी अगर हम डॉट टेक्स्ट लिखते हैं तो हमें सबसे पहले उसको प्रिंट आउट लेना ज़रूरी होता है, एंड दैट कैन बी डन नाइसली. इफ इट इज़ नॉट डन नाइसली देन we will be not able to take a proper print of a document. आधा अधूरा होगा. So this is why it is very important to set up a proper page before we are going to print it. So this is why it is very important to setting the page properties. जो आप टेक्स्ट लिख रहे हैं उसका प्रॉपर लाइन आपको पता हो, कितने लाइंस में वो प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, कितना डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए, एक लाइन से दूसरे लाइन की मतलब व्हाट आई कॉल इट डिस्टेंस मेजरिंग कितनी होनी चाहिए, and how much space you should left, right, left, up and down. That can be also done whether you are going to take the printout in orientation or portrait mode or landscape mode. These are the things we will discuss in this topic. So first thing we are going to discuss about page margins. What are page margins? What is page margin? It is given that a page margin is the space between the edge of the pages and the document text of all four sides. I had given you example of that. Means suppose if you are writing something, it is given in your book also, that whenever you can see in your book that edge of the pages, whether right, left, up and down, you can see there has a little bit spaces. सब ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं आपको बुक्स में, हर बुक के कंटेंट में आपको हर पेजेस में आपको स्पेसेस मिलेंगे. That can be done with the help of page margin. This is very important because if we not left page margin, that the you can say it will not look nice. When we take the print out, it will not come properly. So this is why page margin is very important. So here is given in some steps, and with the help of these steps we will be able to set up a page margin. What are the you can say settings? You can see in your book also it is given. Then first we will go on page layout tab, page setup group and margins, and then second choose custom margins also. Means I told you that custom, meaning of custom, I told you that if you want to make the text, means you can say your choice, your मतलब आप margin ज़्यादा छोड़ना चाहते हो, then you can do with the help of your own. It can be customs. जैसे कि मैंने आप लोग को बताया था कि अगर आप कलर करते हो पेंट में तो अगर आपको कोई कलर नहीं मिलता है तो आप एडिट ग्रुप में जाके उसको एडिट करते हो. सो दैट कैन बी डन इन द every sections. So here you can also custom it and after that you can use it. Next is page orientation. I told you that page orientation means it is that the page orientation is the property that determines the printing direction of the text. प्रिंटिंग डायरेक्शन मीन्स किस डायरेक्शन में आप टेक्स्ट को प्रिंट कराना चाहते हो. दैट कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेज ओरिएंटेशन. एंड पेज ओरिएंटेशन कैन बी सेट बाय द फॉलोइंग मोड्स. इट कैन बी पोर्ट्रेट एंड वेदर लैंडस्केप. आई टोल्ड यू, आई हैव गिवन यू एग्जांपल एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट वेदर this is basically portrait mode, and if you just turn this page book in this side, this is basically landscape mode. So there will be width of the page and the height of the page will be different. Portrait mode में basically height is basically you can say much bigger and width is little bit you can say less. But if the landscape mode, the height will be less and the width will be increased. So that can be done with the help of page setting properties. So portrait orientation can be portrait orientation is a default orientation. Keep in mind portrait orientation जो होता है वो default होता है पेज सेटिंग में. और और ये प्रिंट होता है लेंथ वाइज. ये स्टैंडर्ड होता है बेसिकली. दिस इज अ स्टैंडर्ड यू कैन से ओरिएंटेशन बिकॉज पोर्ट्रेट सब में होता है प्रॉपर. एंड लैंडस्केप ओरिएंटेशन द डॉक्यूमेंट प्रिंट वाइड विड्थ वाइज. वही मैंने बोला है कि अगर चौड़ाई में आपको चाहिए दैट कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ landscape mode. So to do this to use this step, what we will do, we will simply click on page layout tab, page setup, and then orientation, and then select the orientation portrait or landscape. I think for today it is enough. In the next video we will discuss about page size, orientation, and so on. Thank you. Have a